A Gardener's January 12. Jobs to get you started. Hello, fellow gardeners. January might be cold, but there's plenty to do in the garden to prepare for the year ahead. The ground may be hard, and frost might linger in the air, but a true gardener knows that this quiet time is a gift. It's a time for planning, for nurturing, and for laying the groundwork for a truly bountiful year to come. Let's dive into the 12 essential tasks you need to be doing this month to set your garden up for success. Think of it as giving your garden a good dose of winter warmth, even when the sun is a distant memory. The importance of a good prune fruit trees. Now's the perfect time to give your fruit trees a good prune. The sap is down and the trees are dormant, making it the ideal time for a little surgery. Don't be afraid to be bold, but always prune with purpose. Remember, each cut is an opportunity to shape the tree, to encourage new growth, and to ensure a healthy crop of fruit come autumn. Think of it as a conversation with your tree, a gentle, guiding hand towards a fruitful future. A clean start greenhouse care. A clean greenhouse is a happy greenhouse. Winter's chill can linger, providing the perfect breeding ground for pests and diseases. Take the time now to give your greenhouse a thorough clean. Wash down the windows to let in the precious winter light, scrub down surfaces and disinfect with a mild solution. A little effort now will pay dividends come spring when you're ready to start sowing. Dreams on paper planning your garden layout. The fire might be crackling inside, but let your imagination wander to the warmth of summer. Now's the time to pore over seed catalogues, to sketch out your garden beds, and to dream of the vibrant life that will soon fill them. Consider companion planting, crop rotation, and perhaps a new addition to your gardening repertoire. Remember, a well-planned garden is a joy to behold, so let your creativity blossom. Don't let the winter blues keep you from the joy of seed catalogues. Flick through those glossy pages filled with the promise of spring and place your seed orders now. There's nothing quite like the anticipation of those little packets arriving, ready to burst forth with life, and who knows, you might just discover a new variety to tempt your gardening palate. Gently check on your stored bulbs and tubers, those sleeping beauties awaiting their moment in the sun. Make sure they're dry and free from any signs of rot or disease. Discard any that are past their best and give the healthy ones a little space to breathe. They are, after all, a promise of the vibrant colors to come. The birds need our help now more than ever. Keep those feeders topped up with high-energy food, providing a vital lifeline during these lean months. And remember, a supply of fresh water is just as important as food, especially when natural sources are frozen. You'll be rewarded not just with the flutter of wings, but with the cheerful song of gratitude. Just as we layer up against the cold, so too should our garden beds. A thick layer of mulch acts as a protective blanket, insulating the soil, suppressing weeds and locking in moisture. Use well-rotted manure, leaf mold or bark chippings. Your plants will thank you for it come spring. Our tools work hard for us throughout the year, so winter is the perfect time to show them some love. Sharpen your secateurs, oil your shears, and give everything a good clean. A well-maintained tool is a joy to use and will last you for years to come. Think of it as an investment in your gardening future. Composting is the closest thing to alchemy we gardeners have. Start a new compost heap or bin now, layering kitchen scraps with garden waste. Turn it regularly to keep it aerated, and by the time spring arrives, you'll have a treasure trove of nutrient-rich compost to nourish your garden. Chapter 10. Jack Frost Be Gone, Protecting Plants from Frost. Even in the depths of winter, the occasional warm spell can tempt tender plants into growth, only to be caught out by a late frost. Be prepared and protect vulnerable plants with cloches, horticultural fleece, or even just a simple layer of hessian. It's a small act of care that can make all the difference. Chapter 11. Standing strong, checking garden structures. Winter winds can take their toll on fences, trellises and other garden structures. Take a walk around your garden and check for any loose panels, broken posts or signs of damage. Repairing them now will save you headaches later on and ensure your garden is ready to support the weight of climbing plants and bountiful harvests. Chapter 12. The Art of Rotation Planning for Healthy Soil. Crop rotation isn't just an old wives' tale, it's a fundamental principle of good gardening. Take some time now to plan your crop rotation for the coming year, ensuring that you're not growing the same crops in the same spot year after year. This simple practice helps to break disease cycles, maintain soil fertility, and keep your garden healthy and productive for years to come. Outro, a promising start your January garden. There you have it, folks. 12 essential tasks to keep your garden in top shape this January. Remember, even in the depths of winter, the gardening year is alive with possibility. By tending to these tasks now, you're not just keeping busy, you're nurturing the very heart of your garden, setting the stage for a truly magnificent year to come. Happy gardening and see you next time.